This is a brand new place and we have a brand new toy to match with it. It's new to me, not new to the entire universe. It is the new MacBook Air with the new M1 chip that I have been talking about for a long time. And now we have a chance to open it up and see how it looks. So where is my knife? So this is my knife that will help me open the new toy. But actually, because it's Apple, the best company in the world, we don't need this knife. Because we have a very special, where is it? Tab! Very easy packaging from the best company ever. This is my actual first time unboxing an Apple Macbook laptop-ish thing. So I don't know what to expect, but many people, I'm sure, do. The moment of truth. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, this is not as satisfying as I hoped, but it's okay. Flashbacks of when I opened the iPhone 12. So it is, goodbye. This is in Arabic, but it would make sense. It's the 256 gigabyte model, 8 gigabytes of RAM with the M1 chip. Yay! And now the moment of truth. Please get off. Woo. Oh wow. It is actually very, very gold pink. That's the color we have. So we pull this tab. We are greeted with the device. We'll keep it on the side for just a little bit. We look at this paperwork by Apple. Designed by Apple in California. Is there anything here that is... So a manual guide, we don't need that. Another manual guide, we don't need that. Another manual guide, so many languages. Apple stickers that match the color of the MacBook. And is that it? There's some weird texture here, but there's nothing here. Okay. This is the paperwork bit done. Next is the charger. This is the UK style, Bahrain style charger with the brick. And actually, the only thing you have left is the actual wire, a USB Type-C to USB Type-C wire. And now, the main event itself. The other tab that we have to open, no need for a knife. The tab of dreams. Oh, this is way more satisfying. Woo! And if I open it, it should turn on auto-magically. Okay, let me not break this. It's way more orangey than I expected. It is very, very light. Oh, it made a sound. That's fancy. That's a fancy boy right there. Can I? Ooh. I don't know why. Something about this company. Yeah, it is very expensive. It is very, very overhyped maybe. But it does give you this luxurious feeling of opening a fancy device.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Okay, it's talking to me, so that's something. We'll set this guy up and we'll come back to view some thoughts about this general device. So this is what you expect out of a MacBook Air. They fixed the keyboard, so the quick brown fox jumps or the lazy dog. This enables us to use every single key. It's still, well, it's not loud, but it can be when you're in a lecture or something. The keyboards, that's something that people were complaining about before, are gone. Now you're back to the default old style keyboard. And what else can we talk about? It has the Touch ID. It has a massive trackpad. And it is the design that we're used to from Apple. There are only 2 ports in this machine. You have, oh, well, actually 3, the headphone jack and 2 USB Type-Cs. And that's it. This device, this thin thing, is probably the most value for money laptop out there right now. It's without a fan, and it's as powerful as any top level laptop for students. So it looks pretty, but obviously the main feature of this device is what's inside it, the actual processor. Rumor has it that Apple will release a second version of these devices with a second version of the new chip, the Apple M2, maybe M1X, whatever they end up calling it, but they're doing something. And even if you are like me, someone who doesn't use Apple laptops, it is a great thing to see these devices come out in a relatively affordable price, at least in Apple standards, because it means that other manufacturers such as Intel and AMD and other laptop manufacturers need to push their game to make other laptops competitive, and that's a win-win for all of us. If you enjoyed this new setting and this, I mean, it's experimental, but I hope you enjoyed it. This is the new MacBook Air, new to me, maybe not new to you. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next week.